Falafel is amazing. Oh my days. Yes, people, what's going on? So since I'm on this healthy eating tip, I'm deciding to try some falafel today. So this video is brought to you today by All That Falafel, located in London Bridge. So yeah, let's see what it's saying. I'll put their IG handle in the description. I'll also tag them so you guys can see. And let me now open this up. Quite excited actually. I've never ever tried falafel in my life, by the way. So yeah, how am I gonna do this? Oh, by the way, it's 100% vegan, but I've opted in for fully loaded, so you get falafel and halloumi. So as it's got halloumi in it, it's not fully vegan. Oh my god. Wow. That is delicious. My god. So you've got aubergine, pickles, chili sauce, halloumi, falafel. I think there are one or two more things in it. I can't remember. What I will tell you, if you're around London Bridge and you're going to get this food, you're going down to All That Falafel around 12 o'clock, 12:30 lunchtime, the queue from their truck goes all the way down near the bridge. It is mad, so go there super early. That is delicious, guys, and it's quite big as well, so you're definitely going to be full up. Damn, definitely gonna have to go here again. That's really good. I don't think there's yogurt in there, but there's chili sauce in it. I'm gonna have to get extra chili sauce next time, no doubt. Falafel is amazing. Oh my days, crazy. All right, I'm gonna finish this up now. I'll get back to work. Much love, people.